Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is PG room booking system or PG management system, which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So the technologies which I have used for the development of the projects are Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the frontend, and MySQL for the database, Maven for the project and the dependency management, and for the styling purpose, I have used Bootstrap. And the softwares which I have used for the development of the projects are STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend, VS Code for the front end, and I have used MySQL Workbench for the data querying and manipulation. So now let's see the user modules present in the project. So the project basically contains three user modules. The very first one is administrator module, the second one is owner module, and the third one is guest module. Functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the very important functional module is user authentication module. The second one is location module. The third one is property module, and the next one is room booking module, and the last and the very important module is payment module. And for the payment, we have integrated the Razorpay payment gateway. So in this way, there are multiple functionalities present in this project. Okay, we will see all those in the later part of the video, but as of now, let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains three user module, that is administrator module, then the second one is owner module, and the third one is the guest module. Okay, so firstly admin will register and log in into the system, and after the admin login, admin will be able to add multiple location into the application. Okay, so that when owner will add the property into our application, so he have to add the property from these locations only. Okay, so now owner can basically register from our website. Okay, we have given the option there. Okay, so there he have to fill all the required details, and after the registration he can log in. Okay, and after the login, the very first thing what he will have to do is he have to update his profile. I mean, he will have to update the government proof details and all. Okay, because he is doing the business with our application, right? So he will have to upload the government IDs and proper correct details. Okay, then after that he can basically add multiple PG hotels into our application, and all those hotels will be from this location only. And after adding all the PG hotels into our application, okay, so this hotels will not be directly visible into our website. Okay, this will require approval from the admin. Okay, so now from the admin side, admin will have to basically approve these hotels. Okay, so he can approve or reject the hotels, okay, which are added by multiple owners. Okay, so admin will see the complete detail about the hotel. He will see whether the owner is valid or not. Okay, by checking the government IDs and all. Okay, and if everything is correct, then admin will approve the hotels. Okay, and as soon as he approves the hotels, those approved hotels will be visible into our application. Okay, in the website. And now since the PG hotels are approved by the admin, owners can add multiple rooms into the hotels. Okay, like those rooms can be private or shared. Okay, and if it is shared, then how many beds are there in the shared rooms. Okay, the complete detail basically owner can add in the property. Okay, now as soon as the complete PG hotel and the room details are added by the owner, when guest will visit to our application, okay, they will be able to see all the hotels. Okay, based on the location, they can search the hotels by the name, and also they can see all the hotels by using the locations. Okay, then after that they will be able to see the complete detail about the hotel, and also all the available rooms, whether it is private or shared. Complete detail guest will be able to see. And now from there, basically guest can check the room availability, okay, by selecting the time range. Okay, and if it is available, then guest can book that room, okay, for that time period. And after booking the room, owner will be able to see that this guest has like booked this room and the from this property. Okay, so for that also guest will require the owner approval. Okay, so owner will check the complete detail about the guest. Okay, so guest will also have to upload the government like IDs, okay, proof ID and all. So owner will check the complete detail. If it is valid, owner will approve for the booking, and if it is approved, okay, then guest will be able to see like a month wise amount which he have to pay to the owner. Okay, like let's suppose it is 2000 per month. Okay, so he will have to pay 2000 per month to the owner, and also we will pay this amount, okay, from guest to wallet by using the wallet. Okay, so guest will firstly add the amount in the wallet, okay, by using the Razorpay. So we have integrated the Razorpay payment gateway in this application. So guest will get the option to pay the amount and add that in the wallet. Okay, so he can pay via multiple options such as UPI, okay, by QR code. Then we have credit card, debit card. Multiple options are there that we will see the later part. Okay, and now after adding the money in the wallet, okay, so since guest will get the option to pay a month wise amount to the owner, so he can click the pay button, okay, and that particular amount will get debited from the guest's wallet and it will get credited to the owner's wallet. Okay, and all these details about the owner, guest, okay, the PG hotels room details, okay, the locations, okay, the PG hotel bookings, okay, the complete thing will be visible to the admin in his dashboard. Okay, so this was the basic overview of the project. There are multiple things. Okay, we will see all those functionalities in the in few minutes. Okay, but as of now I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects. So hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of projects for you guys. So now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail, and for that let's go to the other end. So this is our backend Spring Boot application, PG management backend. Okay, so we have used STS4 for the project development, and this is the Maven structure. As I've already told that I've used Maven for the project and the dependency management. So we have the pom.xml file here. Okay, then we have our main Java code here in this src folder, src main Java. So all the required packages and the classes and all we have created here. Okay, so we have config package, controller package, DAO layer is there, service layer is there. Okay, then for the payment gateway, since we have integrated the Razorpay payment gateway, so this package is required for integration. Okay, so I have created multiple class here, okay, related to Razorpay also here. And yeah, regarding the entity, we have this entity, this much entities. Okay, that means database tables, like how many it is. I think 12 tables are there in the DB. So these are the entities. Okay, so let me open the property entity. So yeah, in the similar way we have other entities also. We have the DTO layer here, okay, package. Then we have the controller package. So inside this we have created multiple like REST APIs. Okay, so the actual REST APIs endpoints I have created in the controller package. Okay, in the config package basically we have like all the files related to configuration, like Swagger configuration, security, okay, security configuration. Then we have interceptor configuration also. Okay, and also we have integrated the logger also. So in this project we have integrated multiple Spring Boot topics. Okay, yeah, then yeah, now let's see the front end code also. So this is our front end project. Okay, PG management front end. So we have used VS Code for the development. Okay, we have all the components here. Okay, and the image. So all the components we have created here. One of the component is a home page. Okay, so yeah, without wasting any time now, let's run both our Spring Boot and the React.js application. Okay, so firstly I'll run the backend application. So for that, simply I'll right click on the project and I'll click run as Spring Boot app. Okay, so now let our Spring Boot application run. Okay, so we can see our Spring Boot application is starting, and the version also we can see 3.3.0, which is the latest version. Okay, so let it run. Till then let me open the Swagger config file and I'll copy this URL. Okay, so we can see here our PG management backend application is running on port 8080. Okay, that means it is successfully running. Our backend application is successfully running. So after running, I'll simply go to the Swagger config file, which is there in the config package. I'll copy this, okay, and I'll go to the browser, and here I'll hit this URL, okay, this Swagger UI. And here now we should be able to see all the REST APIs which we have created. Okay, so all the endpoints are exposed here. So total we have user controller, property booking controller is there, location controller is there, and the booking payment controller. Okay, so in the user controller there are multiple APIs which are user related. Property controller contains all the property related APIs, and this contains all the booking related APIs. This contains the location related APIs, and this inside this controller only one API is there, by using which customer can pay the booking amount, okay, monthly. Okay, so we can test the APIs from here. Okay, so let's fetch all the location, okay, which is added by the admin. Okay, so I'll try it out. Okay, I'll execute. Okay, so yeah, here we can see we got the response from the backend. Location fetch successful, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and the Thane. Okay, so if we go to the backend, we will be able to see that we have received the request. Okay, API location fetch all. Okay, so when I click on the execute button, okay, it hit this API, okay, from the backend. Okay, and we can see the log also here. Okay, and this thing came from the our interceptor, okay, which we have configured. Yeah, now let's run our front end application also. So for that, simply I'll run the command npm start for running the react.js application. So let our react.js application also run now. Okay, so our react.js application is also running, and we can see the output here in the browser. So when the user will visit to our application for the very first time, he will be able to see this interface. Okay, this landing page he will be able to see basically, and this is our navigation bar. Okay, so from here we can see multiple options like about us and contact us. These are the static page. Okay, and the main thing is like in the users we have register owner. So from here owner can register, from here guest can register, and from here admin, guest or owner can log in. Okay, so I'll go to the home page now here. Okay, so in the home page, if you see we have the option explore now. Okay, so find your perfect PG accommodation. Okay, and explore now. I'll click on the explore now, so user will be able to see all the PG hotels. Okay, added by all the owners. Okay, and these hotels are approved by admin. Okay, so all the approved hotels are only visible here. Okay, so from here customer can basically search the hotels by the name. Okay, so I'll write here easy. Okay, because here it's easy urban, so I'll search easy, and from the location also we can search. So in Mumbai there is one hotel, in Navi Mumbai also, and in Thane also, I think. Yeah, it is there. Okay, so I'll search here. Yeah, so we can click on any one of the hotels. Okay, and we can see the complete property details here. Okay, this is the name, property name, this is the description, this is the location, this is the property address. Okay, so all these details are just dummy. Okay, uh, I've just added for the demo purpose. Okay, this is the owner detail. We can see again this email and the contact, the name, and all these things are demo details. Okay, and the facilities, these are the facilities added by the owner. Okay, and room details are there, so all the available rooms, okay, which is added by the owner, will be able to see all the users. Okay, so we have room number 1 and the room number 2. So if you see here, room number 1, sorry, 101 is a private. Okay, it is a private room. Okay, it is room for boys, and the room price is around 10,000. Okay, 9,999 rupees. Okay, but if you see the room number 2, okay, so here this is shared type. Okay, room type is shared, and the room is for the boys, and for per bed it is 3,000 rupees. Okay, total beds are 3, and the bed numbers are also we can see here. Okay, so firstly I'll click on the private room. Okay, so when user will click on the private room, okay, so he'll be able to see this room is room number is this, and this is the private room. This is the description of the room. Okay, 101 is private with TV and the AC in it, and the locker. Okay, room is for boys. This is the price. Okay, so from here we can select the date. Okay, like user will select the date. Okay, like from Jan to June. I want to check the room availability. Okay, so here we can see room 101 is available in the selected range. That means I can book the room. Okay, yeah. So now after this I'll check for the shared one also. So if you see this is shared room, okay, from the same property. Okay, and here the room is for boys, and the one bed price is 3000 rupees, and the shared beds are bed number this. Okay, 102, one bed, second and the third. Okay, so these are the bed unique bed numbers. Okay, yeah. So from here also we can check this room, about this room, whether it is available or not. Okay, so I'll click on check room. Okay, but here it is telling please select the shared rooms bed number. Okay, because here based on the bed number we have to search. Okay, this is not private room, so I'll select this one. Okay, and check. So here again, so room number 102 and the bed number 1021 is available in the selected range. Okay, so yeah, we can try to book now. Okay, so but if you try to book, please log in as a guest to book the room. Okay, this alert we will be able to see. Okay, so I hope you got the picture, like how is it. Okay, so basically user will be able to see the hotels. He can search the PG. Okay, then also he can search the rooms also here. Okay, so here since there are no rooms and no facilities, we can see this thing. Okay, so now let's see the complete thing, like as I had shown in the overview part. Okay, so firstly I'll log in as a admin. Okay, so for admin I'll use the this email ID. Okay, for the admin login. Okay, but the thing is you'll think like till now we have not registered the admin, then how come I'm trying to log in as the admin. Okay, so the thing is like here in the main application. Okay, so here I have implemented it with the command line runner. Okay, and here I have given the logic there. Okay, if this if your default user is not there, then add the default admin. Okay, you can see role admin, this is the email ID, and this is the password which we have given for the default admin. Okay, for our application. Okay, and all these details like email and other things details are just like for the demo purpose. Okay, those are not actual data. So I'll click on the login now. So I hope you got the point here, and we have logged in as an admin, and as soon as we have logged in as an admin, we have got multiple options in the navigation bar. Okay, the very first one is location. Okay, so from here we can add the location, and from here we can see the locations. Okay, so there are three locations: Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and the Thane, right? So now let's add one more location. So I'll add Pune. Okay, I'll write here Pune is best city. Okay, so I'll click on the location. I've got the option to update the location also, right? So I'll write here Pune is best and clean city. Okay, so let me update and let's see whether it got updated or not. And we can see Pune is best and the clean city. Okay, and also we can delete the locations also. Okay, but the thing is, if we delete the location, then all the hotels present in that location, okay, all those pages will get deleted. Okay, so let's suppose I want to delete the Thane. Okay, so we have one pg in Thane also, right? So that will get deleted. So I'll click on the delete button now. Okay, and we can see it got disappeared from this page. And also if I go to the home page and if I go to the explore now, if I search here, okay, so I cannot see the Thane location here. Okay, okay, but the thing is like I'm able to see Thane location, Thane in the home page. Okay, actually it should not be. Actually, let's see the code. Okay, when we are trying to delete the location, okay, it is just deactivating the uh, location. Okay, so here what I'll do is here what I'll do is, yeah, I'll fetch all the list of the, okay, properties. Okay, this dot, okay, then I have to give auto wire. So in real time I'm fixing that issue. Okay, so you can also see service, product service, property service, property service. I'll use this to fetch all the properties under this location. Okay, get we have okay, get, yeah, we can see here get by location and the status. So we have the location, so I'll use this location or updated location. Let me select, and here active status we can give, in the constants I have declared that active status as deactivated. Okay, deactivated. And again what I'll do here is I'll use this, okay, prop properties, and for each property we will set, okay, we have to fetch, sorry, we have to fetch the active, okay, sorry, we have to fetch all the active properties, okay, under this location, and whatever active we have we will have to deactivate it, right? So I'll again active status dot, I'll deactivate it, deactivate. Okay, what we can do here is property dot update property we have, so this will update, right? I'll do build automatically, yeah. Let our application restart again. So now what I'll do, I'll go to the location again and let me delete the Navi Mumbai. Okay, so in Navi Mumbai we have easy urban, right? So let me delete the Navi Mumbai one, this location also. Okay, so it got disappeared from here, and if I go to the home page now it should not be visible there. Yeah, we can see now we have only two PGs. Okay, actually this Thane PG should also be not visible, but I have to now manually update that to deactivate it in the database, right? So no issues, we have got the point. Okay, so location we have seen, now we have the property. Okay, so admin will be able to see all the pending properties here. Okay, so whatever property added by the owners, firstly it will come in the pending state. Okay, so admin will take the action on it, whether he will approve or reject. Okay, and all the rejected properties will be visible here. So we can see there is one property, okay, which was added by the Sachin Kumar. Okay, it got rejected from the admin side. And regarding the approved property, so admin has approved two property. Okay, admin has approved two property. Okay, and both the properties are visible in the homepage of our application also. Okay, so this is the property, and regarding the booking also we have pending, rejected, and the approved bookings. Okay, so these things are pending now, I mean blank now. So let's see that in the later part of the video, but as of now, since we have added the location, okay, Pune location, so let me just register as a new owner. Okay, and let's give the name of the owner as Pratik Kumar. Okay, demo.com. Okay, because this is just demo email ID, not actual email ID. Okay, and also I'll use the dummy contact number also. Demo address, demo street 56. I'll give the pin code, city. Okay, let's give Pune. Okay, I'll just copy this email ID of the owner, that is pratik@demo.com, and now I'll log in with this email. Okay, so we have used the email ID of the owner, so we can see. So in the navigation bar, options got updated and we got multiple options again. Okay, so firstly we have profile option. So these are the profile just now we have added. Okay, the role is the owner, and also the name, last name, email ID, complete thing we are able to see. Okay, but the thing here is add proof detail. Okay, so this is very important because admin will be able to see this thing. Okay, when owner will add any property, admin will check the details of the owner. Okay, like whether all the details are correct or not. Okay, if it is correct, then only admin will approve the property. Okay, so let's give the name. Okay, Pratik Demo Kumar, we can give as of now. Age I will give 30. Profession, okay, business we can give demo, address Pune city, Pune 51 2. Government proof we have to select. So I have selected the dummy Aadhaar card, okay, or you can say dummy government ID proof. Add the detail, okay, and the profile updated successful, and we can see the details here. Okay, so now it is looking good. And now since we have updated the profile also, what I'll do here is I'll add the property. Okay, because just now we have logged in as this user, correct, that is Pratik. So we will add the property here firstly. Okay, because if you see the approved property, pending properties, okay, and the rejected properties, this will be empty, and definitely all the bookings will be empty because we have not added any property. So let's add the property. So property name I will give as a, okay, Royal PG. Okay, so I've given this name. This is just a dummy name. Okay, this is not the actual PG and all, just for the demo. Okay, is the best in Pune. Okay, Pune city with all the royal facilities. Okay, location I'll add Pune, and if you note here, we are not getting the option Navi Mumbai and Thane because we have deleted that. Okay, and the address, owner will have to give the PG's address. Okay, so I'll add demo address, demo street, demo landmark. Okay, I'll give here Pune city, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the address of the PG. Okay, and I'll select the property image. This is very important. So I'll select the PG image and the add property. Property added, successful. And now we can see the approved property. So definitely this will be empty because this property will be approved by the admin. Okay, so I'll go to the pending property. So we can see in the pending properties, owner can see this property he has added. Okay, and the rejected properties, this will be also empty. Okay, now what I'll do is, and we have the booking option here that we will see the later part of the video. I'll log out as a owner and I'll log in as a admin. Okay, because you have to update that, right? So yeah, login successful. And yeah, I'll go to property options. I'll go to the pending property. Okay, and we can see here Royal PG Lives. Okay, which is added by the Pratik Kumar. Okay, so admin will check the complete detail, name, description, Pune, location, then address, and also he will see the complete detail about the owner. Okay, that is Pratik. He will check the this government ID proof. Okay, the name, address, complete thing he will see. And now what he will do, he can approve or reject, right? So I'll click on the approve button. Property updated successful, and now it is we can see since it is got approved, so that's why it got disappeared from the pending section. Okay, so I'll go to the properties and I'll go to the rejected properties. This was earlier rejected by the admin, and if I go to the approved property. Okay, so we can see Royal PG also got added in the approved properties. So Pratik Kumar's the Royal PG Live, this PG got approved by the admin. Okay, I'll log out as a admin and we'll log in as a owner, that is Pratik. Login, and here I'll go to the property, and if I go to the proof property, we can see here our property Royal PG Lives. Okay, our PG got approved by the admin. Okay, now we have got two options: add facility and the add room. Firstly, let's add all the facilities. Okay, I'll write here free Wi-Fi. Okay, add another facility, and I'll name that as swimming pool. Also, since it is royal, so let's add one more thing, that is gym. Okay, since it is royal, so let me add that also. Add facility. Yeah. And if I go to the home page and if I check this property, okay, since it is approved, that's why we are able to see this thing. Okay, okay, Royal PG Lice, I'll click here. Okay, and no rooms are available. Okay, no issues, we will add that. But in the facilities, we have added three facilities: free Wi-Fi, swimming pool, and the gym, right? So now let's add the room details also. Okay, so I'll basically add two room detail here. Okay, two rooms I'll add. The very first one, I'll give the name as 1000. Okay, is private room. In the description I will write it is private room with TV, AC, and TV, AC, locker, and balcony view. Okay, and this is the room for the boys, and the room type is, firstly let's add the private room, and the price I'll keep as, since it is royal, so I'll keep 20,000. Okay, and per month. Okay, this is per month price, and add the room. Yeah, property room details added successful. And if I go to the home page, I mean explore now, and if I open this, we can see this private room got added. The room number is 1000. Okay, and this is for boys, and the room price is 20,000. Okay, now let's add one more room here. Okay, and this room number is 1001. Okay, 1001 is a shared room for girls. Okay, for girls with AC locker, and with AC locker with three beds. Okay, that means this is for three-person. Okay, and this is for girls, and I'll select the shared, and as soon as I click on the shared type, so I got three options like shared room, one bed price. Okay, one bed price, let's keep as 5,000 rupees per month. Total beds, there are three beds. Okay, three beds, right? And shared bed numbers we have to add. Okay, so in the form in this format we have to add the numbers. Okay, like this. Okay, so what I'll do, firstly we have to add the room number. Okay, so room number is 101. Okay, then hyphen, we have to give the actual bed number. Okay, so bed number 1, then comma, and in the similar way we will have to add all the room number, right? So yeah, 2 and the 3. So this room number is same, and this bed number is different, 1 2 3. Correct format I have given here. Now I'll click on the add room, and it got added. What I'll do, I'll go to the home page, explore now, and I'll open the Royal pages. We can see previously private was added, now we have added 101 room number. Previously it was 1000, now it is 1001 room number is, and this is shared, and also we can see the shared bed numbers also. Okay, the room price is 5,000 rupees. Correct. So now as a owner I have added the room numbers, rooms also, and also the facilities. Okay, yeah. Now since we have added the rooms, now let our customer basically book the room. Okay, so I have logged out as a owner, and now I will register and log in as a guest. Okay, so the guest name I'll keep as Manoj. Okay, Manoj Kumar. Okay, the email ID I'll have to give, so I'll keep manoj.demo.com. The password I'll give, contact number, demo address I'll give demo street, Pune. Okay, and the pin code and the register user. I'll copy the email ID. Okay, user registered successful, and I'll log in as this user Manoj, who is a guest. I'll logged in successful. And now as soon as I logged in as a guest, I got multiple options in the navigation bar. Okay, the very first and the important thing is profile. Okay, so I'll click on the my profile. Here we will have to add the proof. Okay, government proof details. Okay, because then only owner will approve your booking. Okay, otherwise he can reject. So it is better to add the detail. Okay, so full name I'll add as Manoj Demo Kumar. Age I'll add or 25. Profession let's add a student. Okay, demo address, demo street, Pune city, 23. And you have to select the government proof image also. Okay, so let's select the government proof image. So dummy detail I'll select. Okay, dummy Aadhaar card, add the detail and the profile updated successful, and we can see the updated profile, right? This is good. Now the second thing is this thing wallet part. Okay, so as of now, since just now I have logged in as a this user, that is Manoj, so wallet balance is 0. Okay, so definitely if you want to book any room, okay, if you want to book any PG rooms, definitely amount should be there in the wallet. Okay, if there will be not a sufficient balance in the wallet balance, okay, then we will not be able to book any room. Okay, so let's add 20,000 rupees. Okay, or let's add 30,000 in the wallet. Okay, so as soon as I click on the update wallet, so you'll be able to see the Razorpay page. Okay, because we have integrated Razorpay payment gateway with our application. Okay, so when user will click on the add money in the wallet, he will be able to see these options. Okay, so multiple options are there: UPI cards, okay, debit card, credit card, EMI, net banking, wallet, pay later. Multiple options are there, but as of now I'll go with the UPI. Okay, so I'll use the success at the rate Razorpay. Okay, so this is the UPI ID given by the Razorpay if you want to test it for the successful payment. Okay, and also this is very important, test mode. Okay, this is test mode, actual money will not get debited. Okay, but definitely if you want to use for the production level use, then you will have to take the approval from the Razorpay. Okay, they will provide you the production live mode secret and the client key, and that you can use to make the actual payment. Okay, so yeah, as of now, since we are using the test mode, I'll use this UPI ID which is given by the Razorpay. Okay, and I have got this from the Razorpay's actual official website. Okay, so I'll click on the verify and pay button, and now let's see. Okay, it is processing, confirming payment. Payment successful, and the user wallet updated successful, and we can see the updated wallet also here, 30,000, right? So now we have seen the profile part. Okay, the my profile and the my wallet, right? The next thing is booking. Okay, so we can see all our pending bookings. Okay, rejected bookings, okay, by the owner, approved bookings by the owner, and all the bookings which we have cancelled. Okay, so see, all these things will be definitely empty because we have just now registered as this user, right, as this guest. So I'll explore now. Let's book one room. Okay, so I've selected the Royal PG Lives only, which is added by the Pratik. Pratik is the owner. right? So I'll click on the shared room. Okay, so if we see here, firstly let's check the availability. Okay, uh, from May to Jan to May. Okay, and the year I have selected 2025. Let's check the room availability. Okay, so we have to select the bed number also. So bed number I have selected, and now again let's check the availability, and here we can see room number this and the bed number 101 uh, one is available in the selected range, right? So we can book, right? So I'll click on the book now because it is available. So property added successful. Okay, it got added in the booking. So again it will be in the pending state only. Okay, so this is the owner. Okay, this is the customer profile. Okay, this is the booking ID. Okay, which automatically got generated. It is auto generated. This is the PG name, Royal PG Lives. Okay, this is the start date, right? Jan, from Jan to May, correct? And the amount to pay per month is 5,000 rupees. Okay, and the room number is, this is the room number and this is the bed number, because the room type is shared. Okay, and the total stay in month is 5. Okay, we can cancel from here. Okay, if you want we can cancel from here. So let's cancel it as of now. Let's see this also. So booking updated successful, it got disappeared from here. So definitely it should be visible in the cancelled part, right? In the cancel section, cancelled booking. So you can see these are the cancelled, okay, bookings. Now again we will have to book, right? So what I'll do, I'll select the bed number 2. Okay, from Jan to June. Okay, firstly let's check. So it is available. So what I'll do, I'll click on the book room, property added successful. I'll go to the pending section. Again we can cancel, but as of now I'll not cancel. Okay, and also let's book private room also. Okay, okay, so this is a private room. I'll select this from August to September. Okay, check. Yeah, it is also available. So I'll click on book room and property added successful. So in the pending section there are two bookings we can see. Okay, one is for the private and one for is the shared. Okay, so regarding the shared room we have got the bed number also here, and regarding this we have just the room number. Okay, because it is private. Okay, yeah, now what I'll do is I'll log out as a guest and log in as a owner, that is Pratik. Okay, whose property this guest has booked. Okay, so I'll log in. Login successful, and now what I'll do, go to the bookings. Okay, so since I'm the owner, I can see the pending bookings. Okay, I can see all the bookings from all the customers. Okay, so we can see the customer details. Okay, so owner will see the customer details. He will check the complete profile. Okay, if it is valid, and also he will check like this is for the 6 month. Okay, so that is good. If it is 6 month, that means it is good. I can approve it, right? So I'll approve it, and booking updated successful. Okay, but here for this private room it is for only 2 months. Okay, so I will reject it. Okay, as a owner I can approve or reject. So for this one private room I will reject. Okay, which is again added by the Manoj only. But now what I'll see, like from here pending, it got cleared. Okay, but if I go to the bookings and check the rejected one, okay, so we have rejected the private one, and if I go to the approved one, it is yeah, it is approved, right? So that's why we are getting in the approved bookings. Okay, and also since it is approved, so we should be able to see like we should be able to collect the amount from the guest, right? So here are the payment details. Okay, so for 6 months, if you see total stay month is 6. Okay, so for 6 months payment, he will have to do, okay, month wise. So for the January 2025, the amount is 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Okay, because this is shared room, right? This is the shared room type, and for per bed it is 5,000 rupees monthly. Okay, so monthly we'll have to pay 5,000 rupees. Okay, and the payment type is wallet. Okay, since we have not the payment till now, payment ID which is auto generated, it is null. Okay, and also the payment status is pending. Okay, when customer will or guest will pay the amount, definitely we will see the updated status here. Okay, so now what I'll do here is I'll log out as the Pratik as a owner, and will log in as a guest. Okay, guest Manoj. Okay, login. Now what I'll do here is, yeah, if I go to the rejected one, so I can see as a guest I will see like owner has rejected this booking. Okay, which is only for 2 months for the private room. Okay, so it is rejected by the owner. Okay, but if I go to the approved one, okay, so this shared room, okay, for which I will stay for 6 months, it is approved by the owner. Okay, so here I've got the payments options, and since I've logged in as a guest, I have got the option to pay now. Okay, because we have not paid the amount till now for any month. Okay, so now let's suppose he stayed for the January month, and owner is asking to pay the amount. Okay, so what this guest will do, so let's suppose I've stayed for this month. Okay, January 2025. Okay, and owner is asking, so I'll click on the pay now. Okay, and the payment for the month January 2025 is successful. Okay, so if I click on the payments, so action is paid. Okay, so for 5 months it is pending now. Okay, and now let's see how it got paid. Okay, so we have wallet option right here. So previously it was 30,000, right? Yeah, we had added 30,000 rupees in the wallet through Razorpay, but now it is 25,000. It got deducted. 5,000 it got debited from the wallet balance from the guest account. Okay, and definitely we can see here it is showing the paid also. Okay, everything is working fine. Now what I'll do is I'll log out as a this customer. Okay, and we'll log in as a Pratik again as the owner, who is the owner. Login, and now here if I click on the profile, okay, my profile, so we can see in owner's wallet, okay, 5,000 got credited. Okay, which was debited from the guest's account. Okay, from the Manoj account it got debited, and it got credited in the Pratik's account. Okay, who is the owner. Okay, so we can see complete thing is working fine. Property also we have seen how to add property, approve properties, and the rejected, and the complete thing basically we can see. Again, if you want to add one more room, okay, so we can add another rooms also in any room. Okay, all these things are dynamic. Okay, and regarding the bookings also we can see admin, if he will check the payments. Okay, so he will say the payment status is paid. Okay, that means this user has paid for the month January 2025. Okay, so now at last I'll just log out as a owner, and we'll log in as a admin again to see the complete detail. Okay, login, and logged in successful, and now I'll check the complete details from here. Okay, as a admin, I'll check the property first. Pending properties, there are no pending properties. Rejected properties, this thing. Okay, and yeah, we have already seen this approved properties. And booking is very important. If you see the pending, there is no pending, but if you see the rejected one. Okay, so okay, for Manoj's booking, Pratik has like rejected the booking. Okay, because he was staying for only 2 months. Okay, and approved one, uh, since the total stay month is 6. Okay, for the shared room types which is booked by the Manoj. Okay, payment status also you can see it is paid. Okay, so complete detail admin can also see. So the complete functionalities which I have added. Okay, all these things are dynamic. Okay, all the data are getting stored in the database. Okay, in the MySQL database. Okay, as we have seen, complete thing is dynamic. Okay, so this was the complete overview of the project. I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Okay, I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects. Students can use this project for learning purpose. They can also add this in their resume, and also they can refer this to create their own project. So hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of projects for you guys. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.